Hey there, my name is Chand, and in this video we will discuss about myself, who exactly I am, what I do, what is my background, and in fact how you can sneak into my personal life. So let's get started. My name is Chand Sheikh and I am from India, and I have spent most of my life in India. Now I have moved to Ireland. I have 2 master's degree. I have 1 master's degree in computer application. I am also MSc in AI from Ireland, and I have more than 8 years of teaching experience. I have worked for 1 multinational company. Then I have also worked for Microsoft as a third-party payroll and supported Windows 8 during my early stage of my career. Moreover, during my college days, in order to gain some pocket money, I used to visit some small scale companies where I used to fix their systems and charge them for my support. So I do know some hardware specific things as well. So definitely I am into technical stuff a lot, I would say. Alright, now friends, you can definitely interact with me. You can connect me on LinkedIn, and you can also follow me on Instagram, where I frequently post my personal images. Whenever I visit some new place, I simply post some images on Instagram. And in fact, if we are like in a same city, for example, I post a new image of some city in India, and you are also in the same city in India, just feel free to message me on Instagram and we may meet for a coffee on me. Alright, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. This is Chand signing off, and see you in the course.